Welcome to Mastering Xero, your step-by-step guide to certification. We'll explore how to use Xero Central, pick the right certification level, develop essential skills, and earn credentials that can boost your accounting practice. Let's talk about why getting Xero certified matters. It proves your skills with cloud accounting software and opens doors to partner benefits, directory listings, and career advancement. Over 240,000 professionals are certified Xero experts. The program offers free access to learning paths and exams, official digital badges to showcase your achievement, and CPD credits to support your professional development. There are 3 core certification tiers. Level 1 focuses on basics like setup and daily transactions and takes about 1 to 2 hours. Level 2 dives deeper into reporting and reconciliations, taking 4 to 5 hours. Level 3 covers advanced features like multi-currency and custom reporting, requiring 6 to 8 hours. Level 1 Associate Certification covers foundational skills for entering financial data and setting up organizations efficiently. It's a required step before joining the Xero Partner Program or pursuing higher certifications. Level 2 Professional builds your confidence in managing period-end reporting, sales, purchases, and financial health. Level 3 Specialist is for experienced accountants mastering complex tasks like multi-currency and asset management. There are also specialist badges. You can become a payroll specialist handling pay runs and compliance, a migration specialist managing client data transitions, or earn the Inventory Plus badge by mastering e-commerce and inventory fulfillment. Getting certified is straightforward. First, create a Xero account or start a free 30-day trial. Then log into Xero Central, find the Learning tab, and select certifications. Complete modules or take a fast-track exam. Score 80% or higher to earn your badge and official certificate. Here's a quick overview of the certification levels to keep in mind as you plan your learning path. To pass each assessment, you'll need at least an 80% score. Certifications last for 12 months, after which you'll complete a brief scenario-based recertification to stay up to date with the latest software. Ready to begin? Sign up for your free 30-day trial and dive into the Xero Central Learning Hub to start your certification journey today. Thanks for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tax and financial tutorials.